A grave was opened, and what they found inside will haunt you forever. A man who ate the dead. In real life, this isn't a horror story. This happened in Pakistan. Welcome back to The Clever Key. Back in 2012, in a small village near Bhakkar, Punjab, a story surfaced that shocked the entire nation. Two brothers were caught doing something so disturbing. Even police officers refused to sleep for days after the investigation. They weren't killers, but what they did with the dead was worse.
पहली बच्ची उन्होंने निकाली थी, ये सामने कब्र है, तो जिसको कैंसर था, वो निकाल के ये घर पे ले गए, उन्होंने वहाँ उसको काट कर उसका गोश्त पकाया खाया.
Villagers started noticing something odd. Freshly buried graves were being dug up, and the bodies were disappearing. At first, people thought it was the work of animals, or maybe black magic. But the truth was even darker. Two brothers, Arif and Farman, had developed a horrifying obsession. They would sneak into graveyards at night, dig up recently buried bodies, and take them home. Not for rituals, not for research, but to eat. One day, a neighbor called the police because of a horrible smell coming from the brother's house.
फिर हमारा ये दोस्त है, इसको पता चला, इसने कॉल मिला, इसने कहा यार ऐसे करके ना यहाँ पे बदबू आ रही है. हमने जैसे अंदर घुसे तो देखा एक पकड़ा गया था, एक फरार हो गया था.
What authorities found inside was straight out of a nightmare. A human head, boiling in a pot, flesh stored like meat. It wasn't fiction. It was documented, photographed, and confirmed.
ये है जो जिसमें वो डाल कर पकाते थे, गोश्त पकाते थे इसमें. और ये वो गट्टू हैं जिनमें सर था बच्चे का.
The brothers were arrested and charged under anti-terror laws. But here's the creepy part. They didn't regret it. One of them even said, "We enjoy the taste." They had no remorse, no shame, just hunger. Locals still believe that the brothers might have been involved in more than what was revealed. Rumors spread that they were practicing ancient black rituals, something similar to what Native American legends call a skinwalker, a creature that feeds on the dead to gain power.
उनके घर से बदबू आने पर इलाके के लोगों ने पुलिस को आखिया, जिसने छापा मारकर वहां से 2 साला बच्चे का सर बरामद कर लिया. बच्चे का जिस्म मुबैना तौर पर दोनों भाई खा चुके थे. आरिफ को मौके से ही गिरफ्तार किया गया, जबकि इरफान को बाद में पकड़ा गया.
Was it mental illness, possession, or something darker rooted deep in forgotten Pakistani folklore? The full truth may never be known, but one thing is certain. This real-life nightmare shook the nation and earned the brothers the title, Pakistani Cannibals. So, what do you think? Were they insane? Or was something else guiding them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see more dark real-life cases and chilling mysteries, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yes, we couldn't cover everything in this video. If you want to read the full detailed story, just click the link given in the description below.